YouTube. What's up? How are you guys doing? Are you guys doing well? Oh, me, I'm doing um not good, not bad. I'm just there. I'm just fair. Yeah. So guys, I'm here at work, as you see in the background. So today, yesterday my friend was coming to see me, and I wanted some braids, pink color. Yeah, I wanted a pink braid, and I was not ready to go to town to get some, and I had no wig caps. They had got used up, so I told her to bring me 3 wig caps. And let me show you. I told her to bring me 3 wig caps. So when I get time, I'll go and get many of them. She saved me, by the way. She saved me because those wig caps can take me like for 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. And she got me these pink braids. I think this is a new brand. I've not seen it yet. I've not seen it before. I've just seen it. So this is a new brand. It's Rojo. So guys, I was still telling you about this braid extension. Your beauty markers. So guys, so this is how it looks, and she got me 2 of them. So I have this one and another one there in the background. So guys, which color should I mix with this pink? Because I'm not going for black. I don't think that black will come out with this pink color. I want to blend 2 colors, this pink color and I'm not sure of another color, guys. But if you know any color that can match with this pink, just let me know in the comment section, guys. Guys, don't forget that I love colors, guys. I like blending colors. Oh my god. So this is the pink I wanted, cause last time when I got pink, it was shouting pink. I think you know it, but this is the best color. This will come out well, but I don't know which color I should mix with pink so that I can get that posh color. You can look, you guys, sometimes I mix braids here and we make some wigs, and someone comes and say, I want this wig, yet they want to give you. Yeah, I was telling you guys that sometimes people come here here at my shop and they want a wig. I need that wig, and you tell them the price, cause braided wigs takes a lot of time to make them. So when you tell them the price, that's too much, I'll go look for that somewhere else. But when they go to look for my blended beautiful wigs, oh my god, they cannot find them anywhere. They end up coming back here at my shop to purchase them, guys. So tell me, which color should I mix with this? Guys, there is a color of braid I mixed and we made a wig. Oh my god, people are saying, No one is gonna buy the wig. No one is gonna buy that wig because there are too much colors and those colors are shouting. Oh my god. Someone came here at my shop and gave me, if you know, 800,000 shillings, Ugandan shilling. I think you can know. Those here in Uganda, I think in dollars it's like 200 something. So guys, that woman, she also likes colors. So when I told her the price of the wig, she even gave me extra money because she told me that they were. So guys, the lady tipped me for making posh, nice, unique wigs. So guys, I'm waiting for this. Oh, I can't wait. So I'll come back and tell you which color I will mix with this. But I won't mix it with black. No. I only have 2 pieces of this. Oh, I only have these 2 pieces. So I have to look for maybe another 3 pieces, no, 4 pieces of our colors so that I can get that. Hey guys, love ya. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Love you so much. Bye.
The more